Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we will be showing you how to register for Regions Bank online banking services. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and don't forget to leave a like on this video. So let's get started. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to Google and search for Regions Bank. And once you do that, you'll be shown regions.com, which is the official website for Regions Bank. You click on that link and now you'll be brought onto this official website, and here on online banking login, under here you can see this Enroll in online banking. You will click there, and once you click there you'll be brought onto this page where you will register for your online banking. So to get started you will enter your social security number, and if you don't have a social security number you will enter your enrollment ID, which will be given to you by your bank. And then you will enter your email address, you'll confirm your email address, you'll enter your phone number, and then you will select what kind of bank accounts you use and you want to enroll in the online banking. So if it's a personal bank or a business bank, or if it's both. And then you will click on next. So once you do that, you will be asked to create a login ID and password for your online banking access. You will be asked to enter the PIN if you have a debit card or ATM card, or the 4-digit PIN that you have. And you will have to enter your address and a few other details. And after that, you will be sent a confirmation email and you can get right into internet banking. So I hope this video helps you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to leave a like on this video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel as well. So thank you for watching. Bye.